Listen, no, but listen, this is here. You don't need that. Listen, I know, no. You can get these. The police department.
Where's your card? The card we gave you. Can I get that back? Can I get that?
Okay, you gotta wanna do shit. Okay, watch this. I call my little sister. My little sister gonna beat her ass off. Watch this.
Okay.
Like he did before.
246 or 1178?
Because he was trying to upset. Really retarded ass.
I have a question. When I come back home, so I have a call the police to make things.
You can. You can. If you want to.
43258.
I don't care. Look,
Well, you're gonna FOIA these videos, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're gonna take them with you to court.
Thank you.
You
Thank
can
you.
get these videos, okay? Just call us. Call us, okay?
These
Okay,
videos.
thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Same thing. You guys got to report.
Alright guys, welcome back to Audit the Law. I'm your guest host, San Joaquin. This video comes to you from Jessica P. Deaf Lady. In this video, there's a bully neighbor that she has, and she keeps having issues with him, and the police officers keep getting called to the residence. Couple things to keep in mind while we watch this video. The lady is right when she asks for an interpreter. It's police policy that they have to provide an interpreter if someone asks, especially a deaf person. Also, if a police officer has to handcuff a deaf person, they're supposed to handcuff them in the front so that they can use sign language to communicate. Alright guys, let's get right into the video. Keep in mind that the cops keep getting called and they've had to deal with this situation plenty of times. At this point, you'd think that department would have a couple different sign language interpreters ready to go 24 hours a day. Alright folks, I'll drop her channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. Make sure you guys go subscribe and let her know I sent you. Here's the video, folks.
What? What you say?
I'm gonna call the cop. I'll get you
Bitch,
back.
fuck you, you dumb bitch. Fuck you, dumb bitch. Bitch, I was trying to shit out of the comment. Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch. You bitch ass. Come here, Rob. Come here.
I'm gonna call the cop. I'll get you.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
You gonna call? You gonna get that? I'm talking to the police.
Keep on talking. I'm gonna eat you shit. I'm gonna eat you shit.
I'm talking to the class, man.
I'm gonna eat you shit.
I'm talking to the class. I'm talking to the class.
I'm gonna eat you shit.
I'm talking about. I'm talking to the class. I'm gonna call the cop. They have a cop over there.
What's that?
They have a cop.
Yeah, thank you.
So, we have all the information we need. Is there something more you need to tell us? Okay. We have all the information.
Right.
Okay. Is there something else you want to tell us because you're requesting a sign language interpreter?
Maybe how about tomorrow? If they have it for tomorrow.
What's up?
How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
If the whole bit, the half it, if the half it, because I need to talk.
Yeah. No, and I've worked with you in the past, and we've effectively communicated.
Yeah, but sometimes I can thank you. Talk to bye.
Okay, I'm slowing down. I'm slowing down. But I've dealt with you in the past, and we haven't needed a sign language
I
interpreter.
haven't had them. I need to put the thing on.
Do you want one right now?
Yeah, for tomorrow.
For
If the half-
tomorrow? No, I'm asking you for today. Do you want one today, right now? to come out?
A home dog, if they have it for me.
We don't have one.
They have it, they told me they have it, but I can go
Okay,
back
so
tomorrow.
you want me to have somebody from City Hall come out here right now?
Go ahead, even on thing I'm going to.
What else do you have to tell me? We're done. I'm going to give you your report number, and we're going to go take this report.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're good for
Yeah,
today?
I'm at tomorrow. I have to go back.
Tomorrow you're going to City Hall.
To complain, to file complaint. They don't have
File
any job.
complaints on who?
For no job, not to find job. You understand me?
No, can you write it down?
Yeah.
Let's write it down.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
You understand me?
No, I
understand
know,
you.
I know, but unfortunately, we don't have a sign language
But still,
interpreter.
by law, you have to.
Okay.
By law.
But we have pen and paper.
No, I tell you one, my high church.
Okay.
That's all. That's I tell you.
Okay. I feel like I've been dealing with you in the past, and we've done just fine.
Yeah, that's enough for me. I tell you how many super.
Okay.
That's what the proper have to go to your home.
The complaint out here is requesting a sign language interpreter.
What thing is
Hold on, stay right there.
I don't know that we'd be able to get somebody out here to speak sign language.
Yeah, but they told me they have to do it for me. Thing is, huh?
City Hall.
They
Yeah,
told
but that,
me they have to do it. Yeah, Friday.
okay.
Yeah,
We don't have any
okay.
we don't have any
I
sign
can
language
put
people
my
on the
phone.
thing.
0091.
For right now, is there any way that maybe we can communicate through pen and paper?
But my house hurts. I can't write.
You can't write.
It hurts too
Okay.
much. I want it too much.
Okay.
We already have all the information.
Okay.
Yeah.
With this call.
The car. Yeah, the car. But I have to write you about complaint
Okay.
against the police. They will provide me the getting off.
Okay, so you want to file a complaint against an officer?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow. I go
Okay,
to,
tomorrow.
They told me. Yeah, Friday. They have to do it for us. They
Okay.
told me.
So tomorrow they're going to have somebody at the police station that can help you. They can. No, I'm asking you.
They told me City Hall.
Who told you City Hall?
Black woman. The guy. Two people. They told me. The black girl. I forgot the name. I'm going to go back
Okay.
tomorrow.
So you are going to go tomorrow to City Hall
I'm going to walk.
Okay.
That's right.
to speak with somebody at with the city that can interpret sign language for you. Is that correct?
That's what they say.
Okay. Okay. So is there anything else I can do for you right now?
Oh, I have a question. How did you find it to prove? How did you find it to prove? How did you find it to prove?
I don't know.
Oh,
Yeah. I really don't know what's going on with the call right now, other than
I can't close with him. I can't. Because
Okay.
I know I tried to call the 911. The galper.
okay.
The galper.
I've
What
already
the?
explained all
The
this.
It sounds
galper.
like it needs some more investigation.
I tried to call
Can't prove that
911.
it was Anthony Parks.
Okay.
There's no cameras. There's a camera there, but
I called them,
might
they'll
point
have
that
to
way.
go.
She's gonna contact the landlord and get the
Okay.
video.
So let's do this. Let's have the evidence come out, dust it for prints, because if somebody's popping tires, they're putting their hands against the car for the most part.
The, hey, they have a galper at the back.
Okay.
They have a galper at the back. At the
Okay.
back.
And then we'll be done with it from there. Write up the report. From now on, anytime we come here is going to be a report. I don't care what it's for, because we're going to turn this over to the ward officer, whoever it is in community policing that has this, for nuisance abatement, because this is getting ridiculous. We're out here multiple times every day. So
This report should have been handled online. Should have been sent to online. Criminal damage.
it could have been, but they don't have to.
Dispatchers don't do that. Nobody
Yeah,
holds them accountable.
Yeah, I mean, and it depends on the person if they want it.
I'm
that
sure
way
she
or
wasn't
not.
even asked.
So
Guarantee she wasn't even asked.
probably not. That's something that we can look into later. What happened earlier? Well,
Earlier was a prank
we'll
call,
talk
yeah.
about that later. Yeah, as soon as
I walked up and talked.
as soon as I heard a mention with this, I knew it was bullshit. But, okay. I'm having them send an evidence technician over to dust to see if there's any fingerprints on the car. Okay, so if somebody did that and they put their hand against the car, maybe they might be able to get some fingerprints out. It's not a guarantee, but possibly. Okay, all right. And I'll just wait here. Here until they get here. Okay.
Yeah, I've
Give
done
her her
that.
report now.
I've done it.
Okay. And that's something I'm going to have to check into, because in my career here, I've never had a sign language person come out.
I've been dealing with this residence now for 3 years.
Oh, for sure.
I never once have me and her never been able to communicate. She's always been, if I can't understand her, she writes it for me. Normally I can understand her, but for some reason
Yes,
today,
yes, yes, that's true. I need to thank him. He is thank me. I need to thank him. I
Yeah.
need to thank me. But that's true. Bad. I Can you
It's
stand
too
it?
fast.
You understand me? I'm like, you have to be patient. I'm like, they don't want to be patient with me. I want my high choice.
Okay.
That's not fair.
Okay.
I have to stand right.
Can you do this? Can you type out something for tomorrow when you go in to try to explain yourself a little bit more as to what happened?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope so. If they help me tomorrow,
Okay.
if they don't want to help me, I have a coaching
They,
at home.
they should be able to help you tomorrow. With a sign language interpreter, hopefully.
They told me, yes.
Yeah.
Sing it hall. They told me.
Yes.
I have to
Yes.
go back tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. If you guys want to.
Yeah, we're gonna give her a report number. We're gonna go write a
Okay.
report.
This is the report number. I'm sure you got some of these before, right?
Testify.
Okay, I'm sure you got some of these before, right? You remember this? Yep. So this is the report number for this call that happened. I circled the investigation division.
You told me the first time.
Yep.
Nobody told me that about that. That's me. Rocky that told me, the first one you told me that.
Oh, okay. Well,
Thank you, Doctor. You're the first person.
okay. Well,
But thank you.
so now you know that when I do the report, the detectives will follow up on you if they find anything. Okay. So I'll give this to you.
Thank you, sir. I'm so sorry for your time.
No, that's why we're here to help. So
Thank you, sir.
yeah, no problem.
Sir.
Okay. So
I get this probably maybe yesterday. What happened?
okay.
Yesterday. I'm staying home all day. I drive Friday. No, I'm going to drive Friday. I drive Thursday. But the car is good. Yesterday, I stayed home. My husband told me he heard. The neighbor. My dad, he heard. Someone phone.
Sure.
I stayed 2 hours later. 2 hours. 2 hours later. I put everything. I was talking at the phone. I heard that. So I called the police. I heard somebody knocking my door.
Okay.
Thing is, stop back at the police came, they came with the ticket. What you need, I'm nine. You got it. You want to tell you, fast to be. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I got cruising. I have to get the pool first, but the car first.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
You know
Okay.
what I'm saying?
Okay. So, yes, was it yesterday or the day before? Your husband had said something about you guys are going to move. Are you moving from here?
I can't touch it to think you me.
Huh?
I can't do that. Thank you, me right now.
Okay.
The neighbor.
Hmm.
Thank you. Oh,
Okay.
I can't tell you right now.
Okay.
You know
Okay.
what I'm
I
saying?
understand. Sure. Sure.
I can't do that.
Okay.
I can have the question.
Okay, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. Just give me 1 minute, okay?
All right, folks, before you go and subscribe to Jessica P. Def Lady, I want to give you guys something to think about. I have an assistant who's been helping me do my work recently. I am beginning to be overwhelmed with all the emails and stuff that I'm getting. But I want to tell you guys a little bit something about her. There's a reason why she's involved in police accountability. And it isn't because I'm freaking awesome. Yes, we've known each other for a lot of years, but the reason she's involved in police accountability is because her father, who was deaf, had his arm broken by police because they were shouting at him and he couldn't hear them. So I am not the reason that my assistant is involved in police accountability. I'm also going to drop her channel link in the description as well so you guys can subscribe to her and welcome her into the community. I also want you guys to welcome in Jessica P. Def Lady into the auditing community. Always record your police interactions, folks, no matter what. Even if your neighbor is involved with the police, pull out your phones and start recording. Let your neighbor know you're there to document, and you can give your neighbor that footage as well. It's important that you know and understand that you have a right to record all public officials on the course of their duties if and when they're in public. With that being said, I want to thank you all for tuning in and supporting all the channels that I send you over to. Go let Jessica P. Def Lady know that Audit the Law sent you and the whole San Joaquin family. And we'll see you guys over there. Have yourselves a blessed day. Record Police Now, folks. Don't wait. If you have videos that you want us to look at, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at it Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.